Hi, so in the previous video we talked about how to set up your workspace and add a single cluster. Now I'm gonna walk you through how to add multiple clusters and what is the further steps after that. So once we have set up a cluster, we will be having an option to add more clusters. We can simply click on cluster and add further clusters for the targeted prompts. I have already mapped out certain of the clusters. So we talked about tech content marketing one in the previous video. Now let's talk about the developer marketing cluster that I have already added. So I'll be walking you through what it exactly does. So let's talk about the last 3 runs. So when I click on the last 3 runs, it gives me the exact picture of the visibility trend, like what is happening in the background, how we are looking in front of our competitors, what is the AI share of voice, and the further breakdown for that particular developer marketing cluster, that how much of the share of voice is coming from the different LLM models. So for example, ChatGPT is kind of being good to us, along with Perplexity being mentioned 81% and 41% of times respectively. Further, you can select the prompts on the basis of your main topic cluster. So for example, the main topic cluster was developer marketing. I can probably add multiple clusters and multiple prompts according to it. So top developer marketing agencies for tech and software companies. I can simply edit. So like let's say I would like to have it top developer marketing agencies for B2B SaaS. So I can simply edit my prompt and hit on save, and yes, it will be giving me the exact picture of how I am looking at currently. Since it's a newly added prompt, so it will be giving me the visibility of 0. For the other prompts, we have already been doing something around it, and to check out like what we have been doing, this is the exact picture of where we are ranking in front of all the LLM models. So for example, for a particular prompt called as top developer marketing agency specializing in developer marketing or technical marketing, we are kind of ranking first on Gemini, fourth on Claude, and first on Perplexity, and ChatGPT is kind of not feeding up the data. Further, if we walk down through, so let's say we talk about Gemini. So Gemini gonna tell us about for exactly which prompt where are the source URLs coming from. So for example, we have been mentioned multiple times into the multiple resources. So let's talk about the top developer marketing agency. So all the URLs are being picked up from the multiple resources. So apart from giving you the picture of how you are looking, it also gives you the picture of what is actually going on in the backend of the LLM ingestion. Okay, so this video talked about the exact URLs and exact sources from where the LLMs might be picking up the sources from and feeding the information to the models. In the next video, I'm going to talk about what to do after that, the exact problem or the exact gap that we are meant to solve. Once you have the visibility of how you are looking, how many LLM models or which of the LLM models are citing what kind of URLs, we will be kind of giving you the background and the exact picture of what would be next steps after that. What should be the content opportunities, what should be done in terms of written marketing and everything else. Until then, see you.